All right, now that you have your image saved, you're going to go ahead on your desktop and you're going to open up what's called Inkscape. When you open that up, it will probably come to a document that looks kind of like this. What we're going to do is go to File, then you're going to go to Open, and we're going to find that image. For me, it jumped right to it because mine is in the Downloads folder. Yours may be in a desktop, so you got to find where that image is. Luckily, I labeled it Batman, so that's easy to find. I'm going to go ahead and double click on it, click OK, and there it is. Okay. Now, for my Batman, first thing we need to do is we need to separate the black from the white in this image. And the reason we need to do that is in order to convert it to what we call a SVG. That is what Tinkercad and other 3D programs can read. Right now, if I tried to bring this image into Tinkercad, it would not be able to read because it's pixel based and we need to turn it into a vector. Okay, so to do that, we're going to click on the image. You'll see these little arrows, and then you're going to go to the above menu where it says Path, and you're going to go to Trace Bitmap, and then you're going to click Apply. And there it is. Now, there's going to be a copy of it right above it. And you can see I can move it. And it's got a transparent background. Okay, so I'm going to move it out the way. Then I'm going to select the original and delete the original. Okay, here's the original. Delete it. Now I'm going to bring this one back to where it belongs. Okay, now I'm ready for the final step here. Once you have that done, you're going to go up to File and Export. And this is where we're going to convert this image into a vector file, into what we call an SVG file. So over here on the Export menu, we're going to go to, instead of a PNG, you want to click the down arrow, and we're going to find the SVG option, which is right there, plain SVG. Click on that and then click Export. Once you click Export, you will have an option that pops up that says file named already exists. Yep, if that pops up, you click Replace, and we are all set. On to the next step.